The Volkswagen Golf produced manufacturer Volkswagen since 1974, marketed worldwide across 8 generations, in various body configurations and under various nameplates, including as the Volkswagen Rabbit in the United States and Canada, Mk1 and Mk5, and as the Volkswagen Caribe in Mexico, Mk1. The original Golf Mk1 was a front-wheel drive replacement for the air-cooled, rear-wheel drive Volkswagen Beetle. Historically, the Golf is Volkswagen's best-selling model and is among the world's top 3 best-selling models, with more than 35 million units sold as of 2019. Initially, most Golfs were 3-door hatchbacks. Other variants include a 5-door hatchback, Estate, variant, from 1993, Convertible, Cabriolet and Cabrio, 1979 to 2002, Cabriolet, 2011 present, and a Golf-based saloon, called the Volkswagen Jetta, Volkswagen Vento, from 1992, or Volkswagen Bora, from 1999. The Golf has crossed from economy to high-performance market segments. The Golf has won awards, including the World Car of the Year in 2009, with the Volkswagen Golf Mk6 and in 2013 with the Volkswagen Golf Mk7. Along with the Renault Clio and the Vauxhall Astra, the Golf is one of only 3 cars who had won European Car of the Year twice, in 1992 and 2013. The Volkswagen Golf has made the annual Car and Driver 10 Best list multiple times. The Golf Mk7 won the Motor Trend Car of the Year award in 2015, and the Mk1 Gti also won the award in 1985. The Golf Mk4 won for the best-selling car in Europe in 2001. In May 1974, Volkswagen presented the first-generation Golf as a modern front-wheel drive, long-range replacement for the Volkswagen Beetle. Later Golf variations included the Golf GTI, introduced in June 1976 with a fuel-injected 1.6-liter engine capable of 180 km per hour, 110 miles per hour, a diesel-powered version, from September 1976, the Jetta notchback saloon version, from October 1979, the Volkswagen Golf Cabriolet, from January 1980 through 1994, and a Golf-based van, the Volkswagen Caddy. The Golf Mk1 was sold as the Volkswagen Rabbit in the United States and Canada and as the Volkswagen Caribe in Mexico. A facelifted version of the Golf Mk1 was produced in South Africa as the City Golf from 1984 to 2009. September 1983 saw the introduction of the second-generation Golf, Mk2, that grew slightly in terms of wheelbase, exterior and interior dimensions, while retaining, in a more rounded form, the Mk1's overall look. Although it was available in the home market and indeed most other left-hand drive markets by the end of 1983, it was not launched in the UK until March 1984. The Mk2 Gti featured a 1.8-liter 8-valve fuel-injected engine from its launch, with a 16-valve version capable of more than 220 km per hour being introduced in 1985. In 1985, 4-wheel drive, Golf Synchro, went on sale with the same Synchro 4-wheel drive system being employed on the supercharged G60 models, exclusively released in continental Europe in 1989 with 120 kilowatts and anti-lock brakes, ABS. A Mk2-based second-generation Jetta was unveiled in January 1984. There was no Mk2-based Cabriolet model. Instead, the Mk1 Cabriolet was continued over the Mk2's entire production run. The third-generation Golf, Mk3, made its home market debut in August 1991 and again grew slightly in comparison with its immediate predecessor, while its wheelbase remained unchanged. New engines included the first turbocharged direct injection, TD, diesel engine in a Golf, and a narrow-angle 2.8-liter VR6 engine. U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, fuel consumption estimates are 9.0 liters/100 kilometers, 31 miles per gallon m, 26 miles per gallon US, city, and 7.4 liters/100 kilometers, 38 miles per gallon m, 32 miles per gallon US, highway, with 420 kilometers, 261 miles, per tank, city, and 584 kilometers, 363 miles, per tank, highway. For the first time ever, a Golf Estate, Golf variant, joined the lineup in September 1993, although most markets did not receive this model until early 1994. At the same time, a completely new Mk3 Derived Cabriolet was introduced, replacing the 13-year-old Mk1 base version with one based on the Mk3 Golf platform from 1995 to early 1999. The Mk3 Golf Cabrio received a Mk4 style facelift in late 1999 and was continued until 2002. The notchback version, called VW Vento, or Jetta in North America, was presented in January 1992. It was European Car of the Year for 1992, ahead of the new Citroën ZX and General Motors' new Opel Astra model. The Mk3 continued to be sold until 1999 in the United States, Canada and parts of South America, also in Mexico as a special edition called Me, basically a Golf CL 4-door with added air conditioning, special interior, original equipment, OEM, black tinted rear brake lights, and anti-lock brakes, ABS, but without a factory-fitted radio. The IME is colored red, which designates that multi-point fuel injection was equipped and the 1.8-liter engine was upgraded to 2.0 liters. Heated seats were offered on all trims.